Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about whether the number is going to be a power of 2 or not. So to determine the number is a power of 2 or not. So this is the most probably repeated questions where the interviewer is going to ask on the bitwise operations. So first we will see the logic, then we will come to know how to write a program for that. So whenever we are going to have any number, let it take, suppose my number n equal to 4. So what is its binary equivalent? Its binary equivalent is going to be 0 1 0 0. Is it right? So what is n minus 1? Let I am going to take n minus 1 equal to 3. So what is its binary equivalent? It is going to be 0 0 1 1. So if I am going to do AND operation with this, that is n and n minus 1. Okay, so if I am going to do bitwise AND operation n with n minus 1, so what is the net resultant? The net resultant is going to be 0 and with 1. So this first bit 0 and with 1, what is the net resultant? It is going to be 0. The second bit 0 and with 1, the resultant is 0. So similarly the third position, zeroth position, this is zeroth position, this is first position, this is second position, and this is third position. So totally we are having the positions like this: position 0 1 2 and 3. Similarly position 2, if we are going to take 1 and with 0 is 0, in position 3 0 and with 0 is 0. So that means the net resultant is going to be 0. Okay, similarly I am going to take one more example. Number is going to be 16. Number is 16. So what is its 16 equivalent binary number? 1 4 zeros. And what is 15? N minus 1. N minus 1 is going to be 15. So that is 0 4 ones. Is it right? So if I am going to do bitwise AND operation, so what is the net resultant? The net resultant is going to be all zeros. So that means if the particular operation end and n minus 1 is going to be equivalent to 0, so then that particular number is going to be even number. So if you got a doubt, sir, we will check for an whether the number is going to be a different number, not a power of 2. Let it consider I am going to take n equal to 15. So n equal to 15. So what is its binary equivalent? 0 4 ones. What is n minus 1? N minus 1 is 14. So what is its equivalent? 0 1 1 1 0. So what is the net resultant? Tell me. So it is going to be 1 and with 0 is 0, 1 and with 1 is 1, 1 and with 1 is 1, 1 and with 1 is 1. So it is going to have some finite value. Is it right or not? So the simple logic here is, here where whatever the number, you can take any number for, of course. So if you are going to take any number other than the power of 2, the n and n minus 1, if we are going to do an particular bitwise AND operation, the resultant is going to be a some positive number. So I am going to get certain number for that, not an equal, not a zero number. Okay, so here we are going to write a program for that. So ash include stdio.h. So I am going to take a positive number. So unsigned int x equal to 5, let it take. Before to that I am going to write a main function. So I am going to write int result equal to what it is going to be, or else I will going to write the logic directly. If x and x minus 1, that is number, is going to be, so this whole operation, no, x and x minus 1 is going to be equal to 0, then that number is going to be, number is a power of 2. Okay, the number is not a power of 2. Okay, so this is a simple logic. Here we are writing. So this is the logic we have been written. This the number is a power of 2 if x and x minus 1 equal to 0. So I'm going to check that. So this is a stack value what it is going to have, and if I'm going to run this execution, so x is going to be 5 is assigned here, and I'm going to check if x and x minus 1 is going to be equal to 0. So it is not going to be a true statement, therefore else statement is going to be printed. So see here in the output the number is not a power of 2 is going to be got the output. Suppose I am going to change the value. Suppose here in the place of 5 I am going to replace with 16, and we will check it again. And I am doing the compilation step by step. So as it is true, it is equal to 0. The number is a power of 2. It is going to be get at the console. Okay. I think it is clear to all the students and whoever it might be. So this is a very easy practice how to get a number, how to determine whether the number is going to be a power of 2 or not. So I think if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and forward to all the members. Yeah, thank you.